Alright guys, we got a package. Well, I got a package. Not we. I'm sorry about that. Got a package right here. Amazon. Let's see here. See what's in here. I'm always buying stuff. I'm always gonna keep buying stuff. Let's find out what this is. Ooh, almost cut myself. Oh, cool. Chemical guys, wash mitt. I don't have a wash mitt, so this is like pretty cool. Chanel wash mitt, premium scratch-free car wash tool. Tired of cheap car wash sponges and mitt scratching your paint? Upgrade to the Chemical Guys Chanel premium scratch-free mitt. The plush. Okay, so it's a ultra soft 70-30 blend microfiber for soft touch, won't scratch. Okay. And then they're trying to recommend the Mr. Pink Suds, but I'm not getting their car wash soap because I already have Ammo NYC's car wash, so I don't plan on getting theirs. So, ooh, this guy right here. This guy right here. This is the guy I've been waiting on. This was on back order. It finally came in. This is the TackLife heat gun. This thing, I think it's 1500 watts. Yeah. Oh no, 1600 watts. Like I said, I am gonna use this. Right? I'm gonna use this. Let's open it up. I'm gonna use this with the Motivx tools, the trim piece tool. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Whoops. Wasn't supposed to drop that. Not a good idea. Oh, this actually looks pretty cool. I like the orange. I like the bright orange color on this. It's like pretty cool. 3 selectors back here. 1, 2, and 3. You can see 1 all the way to 7. I'm pretty sure all the way to 7 means it's very, very hot. I'll have to read the manual on that. Let's see. Oh, comes with some attachments here. So that's pretty cool. There's 3 attachments on here. Probably not a good idea to touch these when you're using the heat gun. So I'm pretty sure I might end up burning myself. It's not the first time. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. I like this. Wow. Yep, so you can take this off. And I think you can take this off too. How do these hook on? Oh, okay, so they hook on. Okay, so they hook on. Okay, so they hook on to the end here. Okay, well, that's cool. I don't think I would ever take this off, to be honest. I don't think I would. Pretty cool. Yep, temperature. So 7 is the hottest. 1. You got your 1, 2, 3 selectors here. It's got a little hole here for the extension cord. So, let's see. Pretty cool. Like I said, I'm gonna use that. Oh, gotta watch out my fish bowl. I'm gonna use that. This, because I'm gonna replace the silver emblems with all the black, with the new black emblems with my on my WRX, with my Subaru. So using the heat gun, I'm gonna use this to strip off the emblems. I'm not gonna try and strip it off by hand because that emblem's gonna be so freaking hot. So that's why I bought this. Alright, that's pretty much it. I mean, other than that, yeah, wash mitt, heat gun. So pretty cool. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. like I said, support the channel, and like I said, I'm gonna keep making more Amazon purchases, more reviews, more product reviews, and gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna be trying out every single detailing product for the cars, and I want to get into ceramic coating and try that out too. So other than that, I think that's pretty much it. That's it. Thanks for watching.